Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section scroll down to the very bottom to find General Management. Then let's tap on Language at the top and tap on Add Language. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose, so all you have to do is to find the language and tap on it. I will pick Turkish, choose the region, and your device will immediately ask you whether you want to set the new language as a default one. So just tap on Set as Default. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one language added here, all you have to do is to tap on the specific language, tap on Apply, and it will also be immediately applied. Let me change it to English. If you want to, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on Edit in the right upper corner, mark those which you'd like to remove, and tap on Delete. Tap on Remove, and you've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.